Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google to keep note and to take note of reminders. Alright, so if you have any reminder you want to set, you have to use Google. So for this case, you use the Google Calendar. You come and search for the calendar over there and make sure you use the Google Calendar. So if you don't have the Google Calendar, go ahead and then download it. So assuming we are in February, just tap on that drop down arrow. And assuming on 11th I have a meeting, okay, so what I'll do is simple. I'll tap on 11th, that is Tuesday, and I tap on this plus icon, and then I'll either put task or a meeting. So my meeting will be a task for me because I'll have to fulfill this task of attending this meeting. So select task, and then once you select task, put the title of that what you want to do. So it's a meeting, okay, and then I'll set a reminder. So for the reminder, I'll set it for the whole day. That means I'll get this reminder for the whole day, okay. Then I'll tap on save. So as you can see, this is how to use Google as reminders or anything else you want to set up for yourself. So that means on 11th, when the day reaches, Google will remind me of this day, and then I'll have to attend my meeting. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.